Wondering which car tire brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your car tire purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Apollo car tire brand faces low quality. Second, Seat car tire brand grapples with poor quality. Third, Goodyear car tire brand encounters in warranty issues. Fourth, Michelin car tire brand confronts no warranty for online purchase. And fifth, JK Tyre car tire brand suffers from poor quality, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended car tire brands, including first one, Bridgestone car tire, second, MRF car tire, third, Continental car tire, and fourth, Yokohama car tire. Let's see the comparison. Let's dive into the world of car tires and explore the high-speed performance. Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire emerges as the epitome of excellence, with MRF car tire delivering good performance, Continental car tire boasting excellence, and Yokohama car tire closely following good suit. How effectively does the tire grip the road during braking? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire sets the bar with excellence, MRF car tire impresses with good performance, while Continental and Yokohama car tire excellent in this aspect. Does the tire offer sufficient grip with its tread design? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire takes the lead with an impressive 30-button grip patterns, trailed by MRF car tire at 16-button grip patterns, Continental car tire at 15-button grip patterns, and Yokohama car tire closely following with 18-button grip patterns. How well does the tire maintain traction in various road conditions? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone and MRF car tire showcase exceptional grip quality, whereas Continental and Yokohama car tire deliver commendable good performance in this regard. Is the tire quiet or does it produce excessive noise while driving? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone, Continental and Yokohama car tire are characterized by their quiet operation, whereas MRF car tire tends to produce high levels of noise in comparison. Where is the tire produced, and does this impact its quality? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire hails from Japan, MRF car tire originates from India, Continental car tire proudly represents Germany, and Yokohama car tire also has its roots in Japan. What are the chances of the tire getting punctured during regular use? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire ranging puncture risk of at 25%, MRF car tire at low puncture risk of 10%, Continental car tire ranging puncture risk of at 25%, and Yokohama car tire ranging puncture risk of also at 25%. What is the cost range of the tire and does it offer value for money? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire tends to be on the higher end, MRF car tire offers more affordable low options, while Continental and Yokohama car tire lean towards the higher price range. How does the tire handle in dry road conditions? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone and Continental car tire demonstrate excellent performance on dry roads, while MRF and Yokohama car tire deliver good performance in similar conditions. Does the tire maintain grip and stability in wet conditions? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire shine excellent, while MRF car tire in average condition, and Continental car tire shine excellent in wet road conditions, and Yokohama car tire perform good satisfactorily. How long can the tire be expected to last under normal usage? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. The maximum lifespan for Bridgestone car tire extends up to 50,000 kilometers, while MRF car tire offers a slightly lower lifespan at 40,000 kilometers. Continental and Yokohama car tire also boast a lifespan of up to 50,000 kilometers. What are the positive aspects or features of the tire? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire shines in tire longevity, MRF car tire stands out in grip performance, Continental car tire excels in reducing driver fatigue, and Yokohama car tire impresses with its high-speed stability. What are the drawbacks or limitations of the tire? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone car tire may come with a slightly higher price tag. MRF car tire offers only average comfort. Continental car tire might lack durability, and Yokohama car tire could be susceptible to punctures on uneven roads. What type of warranty coverage does the tire manufacturer offer? Let me see the comparison of each car tire brands. Bridgestone and MRF car tire offer a 3-year warranty, while Continental car tire provides the longest coverage at 5 years. In contrast, Yokohama's car tire warranty spans 1.5 years. Let's explore the common and good things in all these 4 car tire brands. Ensuring road safety remains our paramount concern. We'll examine how these brands contribute to improved handling and control, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Discover how each brand enhances fuel economy, allowing for more efficient journeys on the road. We'll assess the longevity and durability offered by these car tire brands, ensuring lasting performance and reliability. Experience the comfortable ride provided by these brands, prioritizing driver and passenger comfort. Explore how these brands contribute to enhanced performance, optimizing your driving experience. Let's delve into which of these brands is the most popular choice among online consumers. Discover how these brands offer better road resistance, ensuring stability and safety in various driving conditions. We'll examine the quality of tread patterns offered by each brand, crucial for optimal traction and grip on the road. Experience the enhanced confidence behind the wheel with these trusted car tire brands. Discover how these brands provide a smoother and more comfortable ride for drivers and passengers alike. Explore how these brands adapt to different riding styles, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience for all. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Bridgestone car tire holds strong 4.5 star rating, and MRF car tire has good 4-star rating. Continental car tire holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and Yokohama car tire holds strong 4.5 star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Important note: buying a car tire depends on your car make, model, engine size, tire size and budget. If you needed a hard tire with durability, you won't get a comfortness during a travel time. You can ensure your car tires are in good condition and increase tire life, providing you with a safe and comfortable driving experience. Kindly see the answers in the description box. Click link below. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.